Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about structure, function and appendages of the skin. First we'll see what are the layers in the skin in brief. So first in order, stratum corneum, lucidum, granulosum, spinosum, basale. Okay, so 5 layers I repeat: corneum, lucidum, granulosum, spinosum and basale. Okay, so the first 4 layers, all these layers are nothing but the epidermis. This will be the dermis part. Okay, this is in general the structure of the skin we are seeing. Okay, so this is the hair follicle. Okay, these are the dermal papillae, the arrector pili muscle. This is the sebaceous gland. This is the dermis layer. We are finding the capillary loops in dermal papillae. The vessels will find here. Okay. Here you are also seeing some lymph vessels here. Here is the hair follicle, the bulb. Okay. These are the apocrine sweat glands. Apocrine and eccrine, 2 sweat glands. This is all the fatty tissue. Yeah, the fatty layer, all this. Okay. Right. So, and this is the cutaneous nerve. Briefly the structure of the skin. Okay. What are the functions? We go in brief. Protection, hydro and thermoregulation, sensory receptor and absorption of biomolecules and harmful atmospheric rays. Now appendages. Let us see the structure of the nail and hair. So structure of a nail. This pink color you are seeing, nail plate. In the females, the pink color will be very nice, visible in them. Okay. Then this is the lunula. This is the paronychium or the nail bed. Okay. This is eponychium or eponychium. The nail bed, the plate. This is the matrix. Hypo, below, hyponychium, fibrofatty layer, and this is the germinal matrix. Okay. Now this is the hair follicle structure. You are seeing on top view, this is of the hair follicle. Inner core is the medulla. Surrounding that, the concentric dotted circle, cortex. Then outer sheath. This is outer sheath, the inner sheath, and the connective tissue sheath. Okay. And here, coming to the longitudinal section, this is the hair consisting of cortex, medulla and cuticle, arrector pili muscle, papillary layer, sebaceous gland. This is the keratin, connective tissue layer, outer and inner root sheath. Then the germinal matrix, the bulb and the dermal papilla. These are all the structures we are finding in the hair follicle. Okay. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.